Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious butternut squash chili. I love this recipe. I love to incorporate what's in season, and since butternut squash, there's an overabundance of it right now. It's really affordable, and it's an amazing filler for this chili. It's just tastes delicious. It's honestly 10 out of 10. So I'm so excited to share it with you. I hope you guys enjoy.